What's up guys, it's Owen and Hudson with Odysseys, and today we're going to be teaching you how to do a backflip on a trampoline. Let's get into it. Alright guys, to do a backflip on the trampoline, it's all about doing the tuck, jump, and landing. And it's not nearly as hard as you may think it is. The hardest part is actually just getting yourself to do one. Another thing to keep in mind is that the backflip can be separated into 3 basic parts, and you can practice each one in different ways. First of all, the reaching down and tucking and putting your arms back, that can easily be practiced just by keeping your eyes straight and focusing on one part. By the way, you do not want to let your head go back or anything else. Just keep your body straight and just try to jump up and bring your arms past your ears. And just practicing this motion, that's really going to help you get the beginning of your backflip. And then once you've got that down, you can move on to tucking your legs in and wrapping your hands around them. And this can easily be practiced by jumping up and then landing on your back with your knees in front of you. And with that, you will really get your tuck down. Try to bring your knees up to your chest as fast as you can after you get your hands back. And once you've done that, the rest of the backflip is just as simple as landing. If you're on a trampoline, you don't really need a friend spotting you because it's a trampoline, but it still can be helpful sometimes. And all you're going to do is have one person standing straight and the other person with their arm on your back. And basically what they're doing is when you jump up, they're pushing you up and giving you a little more time to flip. As well as that, they're lifting your feet up and just helping you to get that tuck. This is how the spot would look. He's helping me over, and that just helps to get your first backflip and to get the feel of it. And that pretty much sums up this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. And yeah, thanks for watching.